view the total expenses on that particular project or department or sub projects. Okay, these were the total transactions, but unfortunately we haven't made any important transaction. That's why it's almost like zeros, full of zeros. You can view month wise report, account name, and month wise report. Balance sheets. Select the date from which you want to see the balance sheet. Starting date, ending date. Ending date is current date. You can change it also. Dimension, graphical, vertical bars, but you don't want to, if you don't want to show any graphical representation, just click the button. You can view all the transactions against any accounts, for example UBL. Okay, this is basically the balance sheet. It shows some of the balances in negative amount, but we'll discuss in later on that why it's showing in negative, right? Profit and loss summary. You can view the accumulated profit and loss summary, or you can view with the comparison of previous year, or you can view it in the budget section. Accumulated, you want any dimension filter, yes or no, you want any graphical presentation, or you want to select any sort of period from 2006 to 2009. Show me the profit and loss statement. Here you can view it. Profit and loss statement. Income, total income is this much. Okay, administrative expenses, we made this expenses between these division. Actually this is just because we haven't made any specific transactions, that's why it's not containing any detailed transactions. File balances. Select the date. You want zero values or not, because trial balances also contain zero values. If you want to show zero values in your report, you can select yes or you can select no. Project wise summary. Okay. Account UBL contains 12,000 rupees of debit. Account receivable Habib Bank contains this much of amount. This was the transaction area. You can also view a text report. Currently, as we haven't paid any sort of taxes, but we made some of the transactions just to show you that this is the format of taxation. Sale invoice against this customer name with this customer branch, and net in profit and the tax. You can print this report also. In this video we have covered almost all the inquiries and report sections. I hope that as we have covered accounting section in detail, I think that you haven't any sort of queries, but if you felt any queries, just feel free to contact us on our details. Thank you for your precious time. Take care. Bye bye.